Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking Bourdain. Today we're making Pomodoro sauce, or tomato sauce. If this is your first time here, subscribe and ring the bell to catch all the videos. Pomodoro means tomato in Italian. The French consider tomato sauce as one of the 5 mother sauces. This recipe comes from Appetites, a cookbook. Pick it up in the link below, along with other Bourdain books. Finely chop half a medium yellow onion. We're making about 2 cups of sauce today. Scale the recipe as needed. Crush 2 cloves of garlic. Gently tear 3 fresh basil leaves into pieces. Using a paring or serrated knife, cut an X into both ends of 5 fresh plum tomatoes, also known as Roma tomatoes. Once the water boils, add the tomatoes to the pot. Work in batches if necessary to avoid overcrowding the pot or reducing the temperature too drastically. Allow the tomatoes to simmer in the water for about 30 seconds or until the skin begins to loosen and peel away from the flesh. Remove from the heat and using tongs, remove the tomatoes to an ice water bath. Once the tomatoes are cool enough to handle, peel off and discard the skin. Squeeze out and discard the seeds. And coarsely chop the remaining flesh. In a large heavy-bottom pan, heat an 1/8 cup of olive oil over medium-low heat. Add the chopped onion, crushed garlic, and 1/8 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring to keep the aromatics from browning. Then add the chopped fresh plum tomatoes and 14 ounces of canned, peeled plum tomatoes and their juices, squeezing the canned tomatoes by hand to crush them up a bit before they go into the pan. Stir well, season lightly with salt and pepper, and let cook for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally until the tomatoes have completely broken down. Tomato sauce doesn't need a lot of ingredients. In fact, it shouldn't have a lot of ingredients. It should be quick and easy, and it should taste fresh, like tomatoes in season. It's tomato sauce after all, not oregano sauce or garlic sauce. Let me stress this again, so you know I'm serious. It's about the tomatoes, and it should take no more than 45 minutes, preferably far less of actual cooking time. Remove the sauce from the heat, and use a blender, food processor, or immersion blender and puree the sauce. Return the sauce to gentle heat, add 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, and cook and stir until the butter has been incorporated into the sauce. Stir in the basil leaves, taste and adjust seasoning as necessary. Use immediately or store in a container for later use. We'll be using ours later for our meatball parm hero, video coming soon. There it is, a beautiful Pomodoro sauce that tastes like tomatoes, as it should. We're cooking all of Bourdain's recipes. Subscribe, like, tell a friend, eat well. We'll see you soon.